Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita, and first of all, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my upcoming videos. Now, guys, today I thought that I'll share with you a very popular daily care routine of mine, which I used to apply on a regular basis during my school and college days, and I have not yet stopped. Now, during this lockdown, many of us are following a tight budget and I do not want to spend a huge amount for our skincare. So, I just thought of sharing with you guys. Like I said, during my school college days, I used to apply a face pack cum scrub very often. And when you go to school or college, you spend a lot of time under sun and definitely you have suntan. So, I have made already. You can see the texture is muddy and it's kind of falling. And sorry for that. Actually, I have taken besan and masoor ka dal. In order to make this, you need to take one teaspoon of besan and kind of half teaspoon of masoor ka dal. Take masoor ka dal which you use in kitchen, grind it and use it with that ratio. Now if you want, you can increase the amount of product accordingly and apply and add a pinch of turmeric powder to make a smooth paste. The texture should be muddy, it should not be too watery, should not be too thick as well. Now guys, this is a very effective pack cum scrub. When you are grinding your masoor ka dal, make sure it is not powdery. Because if you buy the regular besan which you use to make pakoras, it's kind of powdery, right? So when you're grinding your masoor ka dal, please make sure it's not too fine. Try to keep as much granules as you can, and only then it will work extremely well as a tan removing scrub. And when you are adding turmeric powder to it, please do not add too much of turmeric powder because that might make your face look little dark. Okay, one pinch of turmeric powder is actually enough. And guys, what I'll do is I'll just quickly apply my scrub and I'll come back because it's a little difficult, it's kind of falling. I have made it little watery. When you are making it, actually depends completely on you how you want to make your pack. If you want to keep it for some more time, then yes, this is the texture. But if you do not have time, you want to remove your pack for like within 5 to 7 minutes, then yeah, guys can see it's kind of falling. So I'll have to keep it for at least 10 minutes. But if you want to keep your pack for 5 to 7 minutes, then add little less water. And sometimes for this pack is little drying. Okay, so if you have dry skin, you can add curd or honey as well, and it works like magic, guys. Nothing, trust me, nothing worked on my face the way it has actually worked. It works like magic for tan removing. So guys, I'll just apply this and I'll come back. Hi friends, I've applied it on my face and you guys see it has a very good consistency. It's neither too thick nor too watery, but still, since it's a pure homemade product, homemade scrub compact, it might be little slaggy. See, it's falling like this. So if it happens, you take it and just put it somewhere, and that's all. Then you can wait for like 5 to 7 minutes, or if you want, you can wait for 10 minutes and wash it with plain water. And I guarantee you guys, you will see the difference in one day. And if you continuously use it, you will definitely enhance your complexion. This is it's kind of falling. This is kind of a pure homemade product without any chemical. This does not have any kind of side effect. Use it with a little generous amount, apply it all over your body, face, neck and hands and feet, and you will see the glow. If you like, use it for a month continuously, you will see the difference. Take a picture when you have not started yet, and then take a picture again after you're done for a month. You will see the difference. This is really wonderful, this is awesome. It removes your tan like magic, and it will definitely remove the dark spots and like pimples and all. It's a wonderful product, and since childhood I'm using it. So guys, you can do, like, you can make a paste like this and apply, and the result will be there. So guys, I'll just wait for 10 minutes, I'll wash it, and I'll come and I'll show you the glow. Hey guys, I have washed my face. Now I'm not sure how much justice camera is doing because they always tell you, camera does not do justice all the time, but I can see the difference. And my face is actually glowing. It's super duper clean, and it's uh, this scrub will actually make you feel that, you know, your kind of skin is breathing. If you rub it for 2 to 3 minutes while washing, it will actually remove the blackheads also. I had very few here in this area. I was rubbing it and I do not have any now. My face is quite clean. It's very nice, soft, and after you apply this pack cum scrub, what you can do is you can use a good quality toner, or if you want to make it at home, I am telling you how to make it. Take cucumber juice 1 teaspoon, take potato juice 1 teaspoon, tomato juice 1 teaspoon, and lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Okay, and mix it nicely. Keep it in the fridge, or if you want you can make ice cubes also. We do not mix any water into it. Apply it every day. This is a very good natural bleach. If you use it continuously for 1 month, you will definitely see a difference in your complexion. And after washing your face with this scrub, just take a little bit of juice mixture in a cotton wool and wipe your face. That will actually tighten your pores, and since it is a natural bleach, it will definitely enhance your complexion as well. And I just thought of sharing some other like home remedies with you also. Now what you can do, guys, is if you have oats at home, you can take oats also, grind it in a mixer grinder and use curd. This is a very good scrub. If you have a normal skin, then use this. Take curd and oats, mix it together, apply it all over your body, and you can wash it with plain drinking water, and your skin will actually glow. Or what you can do is you can take malai. Okay, milk malai, like in Bengali we call it dudhe shor. So you can actually take it and mix maida or all purpose flour in it, apply it on your face and whole body. This removes dirt like anything. This is, I believe, is a best cleanser. Try all those things, guys. During this lockdown, you do not really have to increase your budget. Use this kind of homemade remedies. Your skin will keep glowing, and you will definitely save on your expenses as well. Now guys, another thing which is extremely good, take neem ka patta, okay, and turmeric powder, or raw turmeric, which is sold like in almost every market. You can buy it and paste them together. Make a very nice muddy paste. Apply it all over your body, face, neck, open parts. This is a very good tan remover. This also helps in getting rid of your allergies if you have any, or any kind of pimples and rashes. Keep it for some more time, like 15 to 20 minutes before taking bath, and wash it with drinking water or running water, and it actually helps you a lot. It enhances your complexion, and you will definitely get rid of any skin irritation if you have, or allergy if you have, right? So these were the few home remedies that I have just told you. I'll keep on telling you home remedies in my other videos also, guys. Try them. They are very nice, very good. They'll give you a fantastic effect, and like I said, you will not spend much, but your skin will keep on glowing. So guys, with that, I'll end today's video. My face is glowing. I'm very happy, super duper happy. And if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon also to get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Thank you once again, lovely ladies. Stay gorgeous, stay confident, and stay with beauty. Bye bye.